Hi everyone, I am here to talk about CakePHP. If you don't know what CakePHP is, it is a framework that allows you to build websites quickly. The current version, as of this recording, it's 3.7 and it is codenamed Red Velvet. Here are the reasons why I like it. First, its code generation and scaffolding features allow you to build a lot of the boilerplate code automatically and you'll get it out of the way. Uh, there are no XML or SAML or YAML files to worry about. It follows the MVC conventions. If you don't know what MVC stands for, it stands for Model View Controller. Following this pattern ensures that your project stays well organized and separates the logic out according to what the database logic, the view logic, and the controller logic, which basically defines the structure of your website. It comes with built-in security tools such as CSRD protection, forms tampering, and SQL injection protection. The most common database used with PHP and this PHP framework is MySQL, but you can also use it to connect to MariaDB, PostgreSQL, SQL Server, and SQLite 3. Now, before you install CakePHP, you have to install PHP itself. CakePHP needs at least PHP version 5.6.0. And you also need a web server, such as Apache or Windows IIS. Now, before you install CakePHP, you'll have to use Composer. If you don't know what Composer is a PHP package manager. So if we go to get composer.org, you can easily download it from there for Windows and Linux installations. Now, at this point, I'm going to assume that you have a web server set up and you have Composer installed on your machine. So at the command prompt, we're going to basically type this command, and this command will basically, let's call it following. This command will basically create the skeleton of our project. You just press enter, and after a few minutes, it will install the skeleton. Now, towards the end of the installation, you'll be prompted to set the folder permissions. The default is yes. So yeah, just go ahead and do it that way for now. And you're done. At this point, you should be ready to just test out the installation. So at this point, just go into your folder and run bin/cake server, bin/cake server, and press enter. You have the CD in there. And there you go, there's your web server running. It's running on localhost 8765. Okay, so this is the page that comes with the skeleton project. It tells you about the environment, the file system, the database. As you can see, we're not connected to a database, and that's because we haven't told our project of a database. There are some linked goodies down here that are great help resources in getting started. In the coming videos, we will explore the actual structure of the project, the files, the folders, and all that when we get to building our application, which will be a polling application. It's a little website that will allow users to conduct polling questions. So yes, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you want to stick around to see more of these videos. Thank you.